Hi there, I'm Andy Smith from Royal Flush Marketing, and shortly we're going to be delivering a new webinar called Navigating the Social Playground for Facebook, Instagram and Pinterest. Now, this is a bit of a deeper dive on those specific platforms, and it's especially good for businesses that are looking to sell and looking to promote themselves, get engagement and grow an audience. What you'll find with these workshops is that this one particularly helps people understanding how to deal with advertising across these platforms, but also things like setting up a shop. We're also going to go a little bit further by helping you understand how to network in order to grow your audience, and we're going to give you loads of tools and tips in this webinar, things that you can actually implement and take away yourself to start straight away. Takes about an hour and a half. It's coming up very shortly, so please do join us. It's free, it's fully funded, so we look forward to seeing you all there. Thank you.